Hello and welcome to my UK Vanlife Travel channel. Please join me on my solo adventures to UK towns and attractions. If you're looking for a serious, professional, informative travel guide, then you're really in the wrong place. It's just me, a Joe staff and a harmonica, exploring and having fun. There will be new videos every week, sometimes two. So have a look around the channel. If you like the look of it, if you like the style, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thanks for visiting. Laters. Peace, man. Jesus, that was 6 attempts. Why can't I do scripted? Look, that's all the lines I've got to bloody do. 6 attempts to spit them out and it was still rubbish. I don't know why I just don't stick to my normal just talking to you. I don't know if I get the information out. That was, Rest of the videos, it'll just be me talking like this with the mistakes in and none of this scripted rubbish because I just can't hack it. Laters.